a little crowded here at Moses, but never had no problems. I'll take you inside, show you what our camper looks like. We spent a lot of time in there. So we like it. It's 44 foot Winnebago Scorpion. Check it out. Like it. It stays cool. It's 95 degrees today, and baby's inside, comfortable. This is a great idea. We got a blow-up pool. Instead of putting water in it, we just let him chill out here. So it's a little clean little spot for him to be out in the garage, so we can chill out on the balcony. We got some cool air blowing in, so it stays a little cool out here, and it's clean. It's an idea. We'll take you out, show you what it's like to ride at Moses Lake. big bad Josh here in his brand new souped up 4x4. What? Tell us about this little gem right here.
She's a 1984 Suzuki Trooper.
Look at this thing, 1984.
Found it on the side of the road, 400 bucks.
How far did you drive it?
Right now we're at 1,100 miles.
1,100 miles. Competed in the Gambler 500. This thing is a beaut. Burns a little oil. Purrs like a kitten. Let's go for a rip. You coming? Kenzie, you coming? This thing is a shredding machine. Oh. Huh? Oh yeah. This thing is a rip.
Because then I text him and say, hey, Smith already let him out. Yes, I talked to Smith this morning. Yes, he checked on your duck. And he laughed. No, Melissa. Alright, bye.
Yeah.
Good, kids?
Oh yeah. Suzuki Trooper 1984. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. No problems for the Suzuki Trooper 1984. 4 cylinders. We're not sure how many liters. I'm going to say 1.8, 1.9. We made it.
I'm getting my backpack.
Come on, kid.
How did it do?
The Trooper? Yeah, the Trooper did awesome. This is a BMS 400. This right here is a racing machine too.
It looks like you could just
Pick it up, carry it away. No, this is a racing machine. It's got the winch, lights, mirrors. It won't even, Can-Am won't keep up with it, that's for sure. Burns a little oil, but Had some 50 weight we put in there. Well, we are getting packed up here in Moses Lake. My honest opinion, not my favorite place to ride. It wasn't bad, it was a lot of fun. The night drag races were fun. The terrain was decent. Nice to have the lake to go take a swim in. But the crowd of people is a little rowdy for us. We got a 9-month-old. We have a friend here and a 4-year-old. One instance, a guy, I wasn't here, but he told me about it. The guy rode his motorcycle through our campsite, right through the truck and the RV. You can see how close it was parked. They were all hanging out right over here by the back garage, and he rode right through here. So, and that's pretty rude. It's pretty dangerous. But like I said, it was still fun. Cops were here. They were policing a lot of people, and he was really cool. You seen his 4-seater Can-Am that he had. He was drag racing people and having a good time too. There's another one on a 4-wheeler, and a lot of people were giving them guys a hard time just by making sure people follow the rules. So, my honest opinion, it's not my favorite spot. We probably won't come back. I think there's other places to ride. We had just as much fun, a little bit more etiquette and manners. But if this is your thing, you know, you want to come out and be rowdy, it's a good spot too. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe. We're in our RV as much as we possibly can be. We actually call our RV our home, and our home is our home away from home. We'll keep the videos coming with Family Off-Road. Peace.